What's up, guys?
Hi.
Say hey.
Hey.
As he's like racing the car. So we are on our way to the Tampa airport right now. We're about to go pick up my sister. She just flew in from Atlanta and she has a little dog with her, Nash. And we are gonna go to St. Pete for the day. And we just got to the airport, so. Wait, she flew Delta? And I drive Spirit every time? Alyssa! Welcome back to Florida! God, it's like a little jumping bean. It's gonna be easy sneaking that onto the beach. Okay, so we just arrived to St. Pete. We're not at the St. Pete beach. We are at the St. Pete Pier, which we're gonna go walk around for a bit. And then we're gonna go to the beach at St. Pier. And it's a little chilly out. It says it's supposed to be up to like 70 today, so I don't know why it's so cold right now. Oh my god, a turtle! Hello! You can't even see. Stingrays, holy cow. That's so many stingrays. I literally looked over because I just thought they were rocks. I was like, oh, it's pretty shallow out. There's about like 50 stingrays just right there in that little pile. We just got here to this little farmer's market and they have these little doggy hats.
Does he want it? Yeah.
Oh my god, give him the little sombrero. So we are now one of those people that give their dog a hat. Okay, so now that we got done at the pier, we're gonna head over to the beach. Alyssa, where are we at? Where we just get to?
St. Simon's.
So close. So we just
Treasure
got.
Island.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Alright, so we just got here at Treasure Island in Saint Petersburg, and we're about to go down to the beach. So now we just gotta grab all of our stuff.
Yep.
So I'm trying out my new wakeboard that I got for Christmas. Still haven't used it, but I've also only done this like twice. Let's see how I do. The trick is to fall instantly. I like completely forgot how to do it. Yeah, it just goes down kind of. So I just let these guys on the beach try my skimboard and they definitely showed me up by 1000%. I can't do it again now because that kid just did it so well. So we just had a genius idea to put Nash on the skimboard. I feel like it looked like I know what I'm doing. All I know how to do is bust my ass. I'm just getting started now.
You guys making a commercial?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Best wakeboarders around. Or a skimboard. Don't even know what it's called. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, that was me. I did that. Dude, that was like my first time actually doing that.